Have you been searching for a newer construction home that has an open floor plan, a gorgeous kitchen, room for a pool, and all within walking distance to some of the best restaurants and shops that Palm Beach Gardens has to offer? Well, 8055 Hobbs Way could quite possibly be the perfect home for you. Come along and check it out for yourself. On the first level, you'll find wood tile throughout. And the kitchen has this amazing quartzite countertop with white shaker cabinets that offers plenty of storage, a gas range, and a double oven. All of the bedrooms are located upstairs, and you are just gonna love the primary suite. Outside, you will find a turfed yard, a covered outdoor living space that also acts as a walkway to your 2.5-car garage. Not only are the homes stunning, but the community amenities and accessibility make Alton a neighborhood that is highly sought after.